In episode 1, we covered what the Ionos cloud nodes for n8n are and what you can automate with them. This integration was driven directly by community demand. Developers building infrastructure and AI workflows needed a way to connect n8n with Ionos Cloud's fully European infrastructure, without manually configuring HTTP request nodes for every single API call. And now the nodes are available. More than 200 operations, 5 specialized nodes, fully open source, and verified within n8n. To make this practical, imagine a real-world scenario. A mid-sized insurance company wants to automatically triage incoming claim emails using an LLM, but the data must stay under European jurisdiction. With the AI Model Hub node, that workflow becomes completely possible. An email trigger leads to AI inference in a German data center and automatic routing to the correct department. Before we start, you will need a running n8n instance, either self-hosted, VPS, or in a cloud, an Ionos Cloud account, and access to create an API token in the Ionos Cloud console. The good news is, once this is all done, you can reuse the same credential across multiple different workflows. Okay, let's start inside n8n. You can install the Ionos Cloud nodes directly from the node search panel. Start by opening an existing workflow or create a new one. Now click Add Node to open the node search panel on the right-hand side. Type Ionos into the search bar. You'll see the Ionos Cloud nodes appear in the results. They are verified nodes, which means they are trusted and officially validated. Simply click Install and the nodes will be added to your n8n instance. Once installed, they are immediately available for your workflows. And that's it, the installation is complete. Okay, so next step, we need an API token. The API token is what allows n8n to securely access your Ionos Cloud services. In the Ionos Cloud console, go to the API or token management section. Then, create a new token. Once the token has been created, copy it and then save it. We're going to use it immediately within n8n. Now let's go back to n8n. Open the credentials section and create a new credential. Search for Ionos Cloud credentials. Paste the API token into the credential field. And that's it. Now n8n can authenticate against Ionos Cloud using the token. Now let's take a closer look at the workflow itself, because once you understand the structure, the setup steps will be really straightforward. This workflow is designed for insurance teams that receive large volumes of incoming claims via email. It automatically classifies each claim using the Ionos AI Model Hub and then routes it to the correct department. The goal is to help operations and claims teams work faster, reduce manual sorting, and ensure every request reaches the right experts immediately. So, on the left, we start with the email trigger. This is where everything begins. As soon as a new insurance claim email comes in, so for example, collision on highway, minor vehicle damage, the workflow is then activated automatically. The content of that email becomes the input for the next step. No manual forwarding, no copy and pasting, it just flows into the process. In the center, we use the Ionos AI Model Hub node. The email text is sent to a selected language model, along with a prompt that tells it exactly what to do. Classify the claim into predefined categories like auto, health, or property. Instead of a long explanation, the model returns a clean, structured result. For example, auto. That structured output is what makes automation possible. Next, the if node steps in. It simply checks the AI's response. If the category is auto, then it follows one path. If it's health, it follows another. Think of it as a smart switch that routes the request based on the AI's decision. Finally, a notification node, for example Slack, sends the result to the right team. So instead of someone manually reading and sorting emails, the correct department is informed instantly. The entire routing logic is driven by the structured output from the AI node, making the process fast, consistent, and reliable. So let's recap what we did. We installed the Ionos Cloud nodes in n8n, created an API token in the Ionos Cloud console, configured credentials in n8n, and successfully executed our first AI workflow. Now, after doing all that, you're ready to build real automation workflows, from infrastructure tasks to DNS updates and AI workflows using the AI Model Hub. In the next episode, we'll build our first cloud automation workflow, step by step, and show you how to chain multiple nodes together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.